Hello, my name is Lars Henriksson. I'm the Vice President of Product Development in the paper division of Smurfit Kappa Europe. Many people don't know or realize how fantastic paper is. The properties we can create in a very natural way is fantastic, because from this paper we can make a corrugated board. In corrugated board, the uniqueness of corrugated board is so stiff, bending stiffness, versus the weight you have. And then we make boxes, and I can tell you I can make a box and I can stand on it. So not only our material is sustainable, it has also fantastic performance. Thinking about the different areas of functionalities of papers, I mean about strength, printability, food safety, but also now more and more thinking about alternatives to plastics that have triggered us to work even more in the development of papers. Furthermore, into food safety, we have our MB12, a very technical name, which is a paper that is there to secure that you don't have any migration of substance from outside into the food. Typically, what you're working in this area when we have migration, talk about migration, we think about barriers on the surface to avoid migration going in. We have taken another approach where we like to work with absorption technology. So principally, we put into the carton a substance that are able to catch the different things that like to migrate into. It acts like a magnet, in fact. And with this technology, it's fully recyclable, work precisely as a normal paper without a barrier in the supply chain. We launched the Agro paper. This is a paper that is used for the farming. Today, they use plastic to prevent weed from growing instead of the vegetables. We have found an alternative with our paper, natural paper. Use it in the same way. So with our paper material, we have a fantastic, easy-used, fully natural paper that stays in the ground and is ready, the ground is ready to be used next year again. There are quite a lot of product development on the paper side, maybe more than people think. We work very closely as colleagues together, but also with our customers. We like to invent, innovate with you as a customer. So if you should choose a partner, I would definitely go for Smurfit Kappa.